Adding site components. We can add site components by going up to our model site panel and go to site components. When we click on site components, we get various types of components already preloaded. And in here I have some deciduous trees, for example, and so I can put a few of those in if I need to. So let's go with a red maple, and I can place a red maple in here, and notice I can rotate it after the placement if I need to, but I won't need to for a nice red maple here. And I'm going to place a couple of those going on, and I'm going to hit escape, and let's go up into a site component, and let's see what else we have in here. We have, let's go with something a little bit on a Japanese maple. Okay, and we're going to place a couple of those around the pond area. Alright, so we're put a couple of those as a screen here. Alright, and then we can hit escape. Now, I didn't have everything I wanted, so if I go up to site components and I go to load family and I come down in my US Imperial and I go to site, I have 4 different categories. I have accessories, so I want to put a park bench in, so I'm going to open that up and put that in, and now I have a park bench. And I'm going to come down here and I'm going to rotate after I place this in. So I'm going to place it right here, and I'm going to rotate it, and actually I'm going to take that, and I think I got that. I'm going to rotate that 180 degrees. There we go, facing the water. Also, if I go up to site component, I go to load family, and I come down to my site. I have logistics, so I can put in here a pickup truck, for example. And I need to zoom out a little bit here. I need to rotate that after placement. So I'm going to place that right about here, and I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees, and I think I got to move that, right? So I'll click on it and I'll say move. I'm going to move it back just a little bit here, and maybe even over here a little bit. Place it, and there we go. That's a little better. And also I can go to site components, go to load family, and I can go down to my site, and I can see I have some parking type things, and I also have utility type things. And I'm going to put a utility poles in. I'm going to say OK, and I'm going to slide down here, and I'm going to go along my property line area here out into the easement area. I'm going to put a telephone pole there. I'm going to put another one, say there, another one, say there, and another one there. Okay, and so I've added a lot of parking or site components in here, and now I want to go up to my 3D view. And you can see that everything looks pretty good. My telephone poles need to be rotated though 90 degrees, so I could fix that. But you can see how already that starts giving a little bit of realism to the area. I got the park bench, and I got some trees in here, so I can start doing some landscaping in, etc. So it really makes a difference of how this looks when we start putting in these types of things that helps give us scale, realism, so that it doesn't just look like a building floating in air.